Okay, so this is a chance for you to show me what you can do with matching a prompt to a student's reading behavior. These are the prompts. You could also use any of the prompts that are in the Jane Richardson chapter. You don't want to say sound it out, that's not one of the prompts. And I will read one page of the class pet, and then you can pause the video after each page and record what prompt you think you would use for the reader on that particular error. Kate and Kat were good at solving problems. Their class had a problem. Who would feed the class fish during school break? Their teacher had a problem. Too many kids wanted to help feed Fred. Nicole wants to help. I'll feed Fred, said Nicole. Matt wanted to help. I'll feed Fred, said Matt.